IPOB DOS have submitted a petition to Mayor of Finland where Simon Ekpa live. No be small thing, no. They say they go tell them say that Simon Ekpa is not the member of IPOB. He is the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. That he should answer everything he have done according to this IPOB report where they bring come show you today. No be small thing they happen for inside Biafra land now. As we they talk, they say that as it stand right now, they say that Nigeria army don't go carry their own Ogbunigbe. I know I call the name for English show. Go through for the camp where the Biafra Liberation Armies they stay. No be small thing, you know, as that one they happen. Now so they still drop another one for on top of one man house. Now so the one that one can carry house everything here kata. My people will go bring you the video, but before we play the video of this waiting IPOB go do for Finland, let us also bring the video of waiting happen for inside Biafra land currently where they go bomb. Then we'll show you the waiting talk. Stay tuned, watch the video from beginning to end so that you go understand everything where they happen currently. Stay tuned.
Mpamoisa oya gazie mpalekwa no ihe nka ha ji bịa today, ihe nka ha gbara bịa da men n'iru nekwa ha gba tata 13th December being Friday. Ihe na nke ha gbara ya da men n'iru Chineke ma kwa ha gba. So ya nwadi ihe ha ji bịa ka ha bịa gbuo anyị n'ụbọchị tata. Ma bi egwe wela na ha felo na mebie egbe na akwa egbu anyị na nke a ga-egbu anyị. Ama na ihe ọbụla bụ ihe nzọkpụ na mmụọ ala Biafra na ihe ewevie out. So na nwadi ihe tata ihe ka ha gbara n'ọtụtụ ndị ya gazi Mpamoisa.
December 13th ka anyị nọ now. Dekwe ka agbara ha today mizai mana okweghị ekwuge Chukwu ka bịa ma just no kokushie ya. Acha ha na bullet a na-egbu anyị ha chizie ka ha jizie mizai anakwa egbu anyị. Enweghị na-egbu ụmụ Chukwu, ịghọtago, nweghị na-egbu ụmụ Chukwu. Ihe ọbụla ha gbaga anyị gbagala ha egbe elu gbaga ala nọ nkete ha gba na-agba mizai nkete ke na-abịa surprise zie ha na ka ekweghị ekwugo okwu, ịghọtago. Na we no be them, na we no be them, na we no be them. Ngwa learning ya watch bullet na water.
Na akwa n'ụlọ nwa ụlọ nwanne nwoke ka eme ihe ụlọ nwanne nwoke nye ụlọ David Adachi ka a gbara ihe na nwanne ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ. Nwanne ndị tụrụ mizai, ndị tụrụ bọmbụ nwanne legodi anyị ibe legodi ihe na-eme ni biko legodi. Everybody should be careful. Ndị a jiri iwe batani le ụlọ le akụtụshere ha ụlọ dede nye ụlọ David Adachi ụmụnne ụlọ David ụlọ ochie David legodi ihe agbara ihe agbara nwanne. Ama m na David na enweghị onye mere David mere escape nwanne ekele dịrị Chineke. Chineke mee bịa ile ihe ndị a mere ebe a. Ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ na ụlọ gwụrụ agwụ. Shila mmadụ nọ n'ime ya na nwanne enwedịkwa ihe pụta gani. Na wow nwanne leni ọ dịkwa mma mmadụ tacha afụfụ n'ụlọ na-enye ndị iro mere. So adịda thank God enwede nọ n'ime ndị nọ n'ime gbapụtakwara agbapụta. Thank God.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. We still there for here. They bring you update as we dey here. Beg, may you dey share the video and make sure say you go follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. My people, let me also show you the video of waiting the IPOB DOS do for Finland. This one they happen as we dey talk now. Just watch the video.
All right, great people, wonderful people, great people of Biafra, IPOB, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Okuchukwu Kanu, DOS, Mazi Chike Doziem, the man in charge, on absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I am Mazi Okenno Okechukwu, the general, the media personnel. Like I promise you, my people, I will keep on feeding you people with updates. This is update. But before I will go on this update, I want to ask this question to every autopilot or so-called Biafran government in exile. Is Simon Ekpa an IPOB member? This is a question to every one of you. And I want you all to put it on comment section. Is Simon Ekpa an IPOB member or a prime minister of the government in exile? You know the reason why I'm asking this question? Because Simon Ekpa keep on denying, saying that he is a member of IPOB. Does it mean that Simon Ekpa have left his position as a prime minister and want to become a floor member of IPOB? We are here. Update from Finland. Direct from Finland. I have a lot of things to tell you people. But I want you people to focus on this mission accomplished. This is mission accomplished. The second one. We have now submitted a second letter to the mayor. The first one was the office of the prime minister. Now is the office of the mayor of Finland, where Simon Ekpa is living. The mayor of the community that Simon Ekpa is living, we have submitted another one. I tell you, we are the remedy. Simon Ekpa is not going to come out, I tell you. Simon Ekpa will see, for him to have that mind to distract our people, not destruction, to distract our people from this Biafran restoration project. By pushing the clock backward, of course, I'm going to help them to push Simon Ekpa to where he will never surface again. I tell you this, some of you are coming on social media ranting and talking all sort of rubbish. I have everything about that idiot. Why the guy is crying. I want you people to know this. This guy that I have his picture, go and ask the wife. They have, stopped the account of the people because that is where Simon Ekpa is using the account of this idiot that have white hair or white beards. This is the account, and Simon Ekpa is so smart by using these people also. A very known entity. This guy you are seeing here is a former IPOB national coordinator in Finland. But because Simon Ekpa came to deceive him and now begin to pay him some small money, he abandoned IPOB. As it stands today, the wife of this man, this idiot, this non-entity, visited the idiot in police custody. The guy was crying, saying, look at what he done to himself. They have froze all his account. The new car that he just bought new because he's a taxi driver in Finland, they just seized the car. The woman came to us, began to cry to us that look at what the mess that the husband put them into. And I tell you, all of them will face 25 to 30 years imprisonment. Write it down. I am the one that's telling you this. Authentic information and intel. We don't lie. We are coming here to tell you how it is. And the mayor of Finland, where Simon Ekpa is, the community that Simon Ekpa is, have received the letter from IPOB under one big family, under the leadership of Mazen Nnamdi Okuchukano, and the man in charge on absence of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the DOS head, Mazi Chike Doziem. We move. I tell you people, if you people are waiting for Simon Ekpa to come out, okay, wait now. Oga, wait. You go see him. Oga, wait. You will come back and tell me why Simon Ekpa keep on denying not being a prime minister, but on a level, a floor member of IPOB. Why? Simon Ekpa, you don't know what you this guy don't know the mess that he is into. Simon Ekpa is in a big mess. I saw some people saying that Simon Ekpa, the Finnish government have dropped the act of terrorism. You people are a bunch of idiots. Who give you the press statement you are reading? Who said that to you? They visited, they were doing that, they are gathering in Finland. They could not locate where that idiot is. We know the police station. We know everything. We know the prison that he is into. I tell you, Simon Ekpa is not coming out. Stay there and wait till thy kingdom come. Now pay attention to the letter we submitted to the mayor of Finland. A mayor of that community, Grat, where Simon Ekpa is. We submitted. My next video, I will show you where Simon Ekpa is living. We have everything. We know everything. We know. We are not afraid of any bagger. We know the rules and regulation. We understand how the thing's supposed to be operated. We understand the rules of the Europeans. That is why we are doing what we are doing. Simon Ekpa have gone. To return now is the problem. I tell you.
See, we are being escorted by the police here. We are peaceful, no problem. We see, front and back, we have the police officers, 2 of them. We don't have any problem. We are going to the mayor office, as we promised, so you can see. So we are peaceful agitators. We don't have any problem with anybody. What we are saying, what we are fighting is our own. We are fighting for our freedom, for everybody. So you see, we are entering to the office. You can see them. You can see the police people. I think we are doing the needful. We are doing the needful, Mochinek. We are doing the needful. So I will keep on updating you all. I will keep on updating you all. If you can see, I don't know if I should video inside. I don't know, but let me try. Let me try my best. Let me try.
Yeah, but somebody has to receive it by hand. That's it. Somebody has to give it to somebody.
Give him.
And we wish to consign this petition to your office. So thank you very much. It is not addressed that everything is.
Is this for a major? Yeah, for the mayor. Yeah. You can write the name if you want. Okay. The address to him, so you can. So that's on Kuna.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can see we submitted our letter without no problem. So we are being escorted by the police. So we don't have any problem. I think we are good to go. We are good to go, Mochineke. We keep on updating you people. We don't have any problem. We are peaceful agitators in Finland. This is Finland Mayor Office. So you can see, let me video it for Omochineke, Omochukwu Kabia Makono. Here na Azowo here, not for personal interest. So here with the office, you see. So that is it.
Yeah, National. Yeah, we are just coming out from the mayor's office.
Yes.
Welcome back, my people. You still there for Pump Info News. Please share the video and follow this channel. Follow us on Facebook, Pump Info News, and also share the video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll go see you for the next update as it is hot.